feeding the turbine. Now that's on the top side of the turbine. You got to remember that you're putting your turbine in upside down from this perspective. So the top of the turbine has to go towards the top of the aircraft. So we're going to put a keeper on our tank stopper on the other side. So when we flip this over, we'll be able to see that. And the only other thing to do for this engine install is run our fuel line forward. So very simple install on the engine. All right, so we got our keeper installed right there, and that's where the turbine wire is coming through. And anytime I'm installing a keeper like that, I always put a little bit of shoe goop on there. The adhesive's great, but you don't want that to come off. So we are ready to install our fuel tank with everything from this point backwards.